Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to use 3 buttons navigations on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click a subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, now let's get started to the video. Well, first thing first that you have to do, you just have to open the settings here on the Motorola G06 Power phone like this. And as you can see here at the bottom, I don't use the buttons navigations here guys. I use the gesture navigations here. So if you want to change it, you just have to scroll it down at the settings page and found the gestures options. Now you just have to click it and select the first one, which is navigation mode. Now you can see I use the gesture navigation, the first option. If you want to change this to the button navigations here, you just have to click it and you just have to wait for a second. It will be automatically display for the buttons, yeah guys. And if you want to save it, you just have to close the page because it will automatically save. And yeah, I think it's enough from this video from me. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and comments below. I'll see you soon on the next one. So goodbye.